Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that holds great importance in the manufacturing industry: budgets and accountability in manufacturing, understanding the link. In this video, we'll dive into the crucial relationship between budgets and accountability and how it impacts manufacturing operations. Budgets play a pivotal role in any manufacturing organization. They act as financial roadmaps, guiding decision-making and resource allocation. However, budgets alone are not enough. Accountability is equally crucial to ensure the budgetary goals are met and the organization's financial health is maintained. A budget in manufacturing includes various elements such as projected revenues, expenses, capital expenditures, and production targets. It serves as a benchmark against which actual performance is measured. By comparing actual results to the budget, managers can identify discrepancies and take corrective actions to stay on track. Now, let's talk about accountability. In manufacturing, accountability means taking responsibility for the outcomes of one's actions. When it comes to budgets, accountability involves ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently and that targets are met. To establish accountability in manufacturing, it's important to have clear roles and responsibilities defined. Each department or team should have specific budgetary targets and be held responsible for achieving them. This accountability cascades down the organization, from top-level management to individual contributors. Accountability is not just about assigning blame, it's about fostering a culture of ownership and continuous improvement. When individuals feel accountable for their actions, they are more likely to take proactive measures to optimize processes, reduce waste, and improve overall performance. That's absolutely right. Accountability encourages employees to think creatively and find innovative solutions to manufacturing challenges. It promotes a sense of ownership and pride in their work, which can lead to higher productivity and quality outcomes. Let's see the impact of accountability on manufacturing operations. In a plant where accountability is lacking, there may be a lack of transparency, communication gaps, and a higher likelihood of budget overruns. On the other hand, in a culture of accountability, employees are empowered to make decisions, track their progress, and collaborate effectively to achieve budgetary goals. To summarize, budgets and accountability go hand in hand in manufacturing. A well-designed budget sets the financial framework, while accountability ensures that the budget is adhered to and that individuals take ownership of their actions. Together, they drive financial discipline, operational efficiency, and overall success in manufacturing organizations. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.